Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got a pretty exciting TV to unbox today. It's Sony's first mini LED TV, the X95K. So we're gonna open this up, show you all the accessories that come in the box, and then we're gonna give our first impressions of the picture, so stick around. And here we have all of the accessories that come in the box. There are several cover pieces for the back of the television. Then you've got Sony's newly redesigned remote, a couple of batteries for that one, some screws for the pedestal legs, and then the pedestal legs themselves. All right, so we've got the TV all set up here. It's on its pedestal. And first impressions are we've got another TV that's probably going to be in the running for Best Television of 2022. This thing looks absolutely incredible. Color quality is phenomenal. Black levels are super, super deep. And we weren't seeing too much light bloom in our initial tests here, so that was really great to see. It is that mini LED technology, and it's getting us closer and closer to OLED, so it's really cool to see more brands getting involved in it. Sony, this being their first one, has done just a tremendous job. They really, I don't think, could have done any better than the X95K here. So, as always, stay tuned. We're gonna have a full overview video on this one. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.